can't fall in love and I hate it. I've been looking all around and see so many faces. There's many fish in the sea, can't debate it. But all of them will lock your heart up in cages. And I'm scared, feels like every girl I've been with put me through hell. Couldn't give them money, but I gave them everything else. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, oh well, saying I'm the reason. Can't you tell I'm a mess? Why would a girl want a guy like this? I love too much and give you so many gifts. I just can't get you every diamond. I can't fall in love, cause I can't find someone to love me back. I wanna fall, but I try too much. My boys tell me just to relax. I can't fall in love, I hate to say it, but I am scared. I guess I'll never be good enough, but I try to play off, I don't care. I can't fall in love and I'm not okay. Going in a plug me sorry, I hide my face, I'm ashamed. My confidence is a toddler still in 3K. I don't care, I love you is an overused phrase. I can't fall for someone that don't fall for me. Let me on red, put me in a backseat. I called talking about I got disqualified. She said something about me being too nice. I'll change my life, feel brilliant rhymes on a black shirt, some black jeans with some bling. Grow my hair, I look better, don't you agree? But now you say I'm a little too mean. I can't fall in love,